Hi everyone, welcome back. This video is very important with respect to a new feature in LLVNG release 2. In the last few videos we have discussed about loopback devices, disk group creation, different commands within ASM-CMD, adding a disk to an existing disk group as well as changing the disk group name. In this video I would demonstrate you how to create a volume, a dynamic volume out of your existing disk group and how to use that particular volume to store your flat files or your text file inside that particular disk group. To do that, let's first go to ASM-CMD. See the new disk group which we have renamed in the last one, which was VDG earlier, and now it is being renamed to ABC. I will use this particular disk group in our case. So the first thing that you need to do is the command with respect to volumes are these many. Now what I would do is I would first type vol-info-a. This tells you if there is any existing volumes available. Now I can use vol create. This is going to create a volume in an existing disk group. Now to do that, let's check the size available. 1972 is the free MB available in ABC. I would say vol create -G ABC. That's the disk group inside which we'll be creating the volume. Then the size you need to specify. Let me specify -256, and then let me specify the volume name, which is tvol. Now my volume is created, and when I say vol-info-a, it will tell us that the volume is created onto this location. This volume is created out of ASM disk group. Now this is the volume created at the operating system level. Now I can go to the root, check this particular disk group. It is created. Now what I could do is I could use mkfs, that's an OS level command. I can give -t. Now here I need to specify the type, the type of the partition. In our case our file system type is ACFS, which stands for ASM cluster file system. I can use mkfs -t ACFS and give the name of the device which is created. Now it has done the formatting for us. The next step we need to do is we need to mount this partition onto a particular disk structure. To do that, let's create a directory at the OS level named as ADVM. As at the moment you cannot see any other disk mounted. Now what I would do is I would use mount command with -t ACFS as the type, and will be mounting this disk. Oops, just a wrong copy paste over here. I will do mount -t ACFS. I would use this particular command and I'll mount it to ADVM, and now you can just type df-h and you can see ADVM is mounted on this disk group, on this disk volume with a size of 256 MB. So it's moreover a new partition created, and internally it is created out of a disk group. Now if you go to this directory, it works as the same thing as compared to the operating system stuff. You can create your own text file inside it, store them. Now over here I am giving the permission of this volume to Oracle. That's it. Now I'll be exiting back to the old setup, the ASM1. Over here I am logging to the ORCL database. I'll create a new table space, create table space test new with a data file which is located at ADVM The table space is created. Now let's create a table inside it. Now if I go to the ADVM directory, I can see this file. Here it is. So in short, we have created a disk group. Inside that disk group we have created a volume, and we have mounted that volume to the ACFS partition type. It is not limited to ACFS, but if you do it with ACFS, your ASM will be able to handle it quite better, and you can utilize ACFS snapshot feature. Now when you say volinfo-a, you can see that it is using ACFS and mounted to ADVM. So this is all about ASM dynamic volume management, and in the next video I would be demonstrating ACFS snapshot.